don't ruin your slip and fall case, okay? If you've been hurt, this is how you ruin your claim and make sure you get zero in front of a jury. Mark Schondorf, HS Injury Law. Slip and falls are really, they're tougher cases because, unlike a rear ender, which is pretty serious, you know that this is the car that hit this car, so it's pretty clear. No one really argues about that all that much. Slip and fall, you really got to prove that somebody did something wrong. They did something that violated the general safety rule we call negligence, right? And so how do you do that in the slip and fall? Well, there's really two kinds of slip and falls, right? One is the kind of slip and fall that occurs on a structure of some kind, right? A crumbling sidewalk or staircase or something that, has been there for a really long time. That's an easier kind. But there's the other kind where the condition that caused you to slip and fall dissipates, right? Think shampoo in the supermarket. Think ice on a sidewalk, right? Those things, they can easily go away. And if you don't know what it is, if you don't know, you can't prove at trial what actually caused you to fall, that could cost you your case, okay? And make things very difficult, make it very unattractive for an attorney to file suit and fight, make it very easy for an insurance company to fight you and say, hey, you can't really prove exactly what happened. So what should you do? Take out your camera and take pictures of whatever it was that caused you to slip and fall. Because if you have a picture of the actual puddle of shampoo or the actual ice as it existed when you slipped and fell, that's going to make it a lot easier, a lot better of a case. Because if you don't have it, then what do you have? You basically have a general description. And that gives this insurance company that's going to be fighting your case a great opportunity to say, well, we don't know what it really looked like. We don't know exactly how big this puddle was. They have to prove that the condition was dangerous, that it existed at the time. And if you don't have a picture of what actually happened, then you're going to need some expert to give an opinion. And the defense, they're always going to say in front of a jury, well, this is all speculation because he didn't really see exactly what happened. You can't recreate the condition exactly the same way, the same every single time. So, God forbid, you slip and fall on something because someone else wasn't doing their job, somebody else wasn't following the safety rules of life and society, then get that camera out, take pictures, make sure you document everything, stay well, be safe. Mark Schondorf, HS Injury Law, serious injuries, serious help. Call us at 888-LAW-9008, on the web, chicago-injury.com.